is what we expected lah, because this is what we want to design. But the end result is wow lah, because
without anybody really supervise them, we are the whole process we are in overseas through WhatsApps and come back then okay leh. It's just like people usually is there every day come and check this check that, this one I don't like. We are just whatever will be, then it's just something that is the outturn is good. After service, yeah, very good. Their response is good. They very fast. They like the Pyong say is tomorrow my people come, or two more days. You see, is okay. It's fast.
嗨，大家好，我是 Pyong， 我是 One Last Hope 的首席设计师。我的专业就是为你们打造你们所期待的梦想家园。如果有什么需要，你们可以联络我。